friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. In previous video, we are seeing the progress of e-commerce app. So we have creating this four video which considered many of the page for e-commerce app. As per in last video, I told that in checkout I have added the list of product. So how can we delete through the MVVM? And the another is the we will look today for the UI for the address. Okay. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel if you are not subscribed, and please share it to your friends. So, in checkout, we have added the item. I will show you through this. So, yeah, we can remove it. It will show a message box. Then we click, it will remove that item. Okay. So for this, uh, in the previous video, we have see a cart view model. I have explained all the things. You can go through the previous video. If you directly watch this video, you can't understand. So please watch all previous video so you can understand this one. So in this thing, we have used the list of item view model. Okay, so I change to observable collection because in observe by using the observable collection we can remove the item, and list this is not possible. So this also a difference between list and observable collection. So in remove item, first you have to create a method. Okay, first create a method that with the parameter item view model, because item view model is binded to list view. This is the item view model, and this is the item list, which is the uh, this item list. Uh, uh, I don't know where it is. We will go through. This is cart model. So in cart view model there is a cart model, and cart model there is a item list. So in this way we can know where is this item is. So this is item list. So it I have converted to the observable collection. Okay, now I have to remove that selected item from the observable collection. So pass this item. Okay, uh, and and in the result use take data from the user, take a data from the user if they want to delete or not. Okay, so here I have used yes or no. So it will take in the result. If the result is 8, it will be removed from the item, and then assign this view model again to the cart model. So this list view will be refreshed. Okay, now main thing, for this you have to create a command. Okay, so in cart view model constructor, uh, uh, sorry, in while adding a new item to a list, we have to create a command. So every item will have a command. Okay, means if there are 5 items, so each item will have the remove item command. So this is the remove item command. Okay, and I have assigned a arrow and the remove item and pass the a. This is the a. Okay, so this will be the parameter pass, but actual parameter is not passed from here. This is the this is assigned that this is the this command is attached to item and parameter also. Okay, now for passing a parameter, what you have to do in the cast list template, uh, please ignore the background sound because one of my cousin not one of my sister-in-law's son has break his hand and he is only 1.5 years, so he is crying, so please ignore this sound. In the in this remove label, you have to bind that command, remove item command. Okay, remove item command, and to pass a parameter use dot. Dot means all the value of that class, all the property of that class. Okay, if you only assign for example name, so it will pass only name which will be in string, but if you pass a dot, it will pass parameter as a class. Okay, if you have any confusion in this, then please ask me in the comment section. I will explain this all, as I have created a WhatsApp group. You can ask me if you did not understand this one. I know this is little bit complicated, but if you have any question, then ask me in the comment section or in a WhatsApp group. Okay, in this way you can remove the item from the list view by using a MVVM. Now move to the new UI called addresses. Okay, this is address. When I click on the my account, this menu will open. This UI is in progress. So when I click on the addresses, uh, this page will open where user can add a multiple address here. So this is the address UI form. So this is the type. What type of addresses is this? Then first name, last name, and the phone number, addresses, state, and pin code. And another thing you can add what you. And also I forgot to add a button for save. You can place a button. I will update in the blog. You can add a button here. Okay. Now in addresses, this is this part is belong to this part. Okay. So first of all, I have used grid control as a main control. Then I have used label. Okay. To show the header for a type label. Then this is the option of type. So for this, I have created a control called image label. So let's see how this control is created. So this is image label. So it is very simple. uh, I have used a grid. I have added 2 rows for I have added two rows for showing a icon and another is a text. Okay, so here I have add a label for a icon, and icon I have used this font or some family, and another is a simple text. Okay, now in code behind, this is the code behind. This is the assigning what icon value. I have created a icon property. This is text property to show the text and the text color. Okay, text color for if for example, so we should know which is highlighted. So when I click on the office, it will get highlighted. Another it will be changed. Okay, so for this I have used text color. Now move to the main page. So in the frame, so this is the frame. Okay, this is the frame, and in the frame I have added grid, and grid having three columns because I have to show these three types, and and this I have added a control. Okay, this control I have assigned a text color. Okay, by default as text color, home will be highlighted because when a user adding opening a page, one should be highlighted. So uh, by default I have set this as a text color. Another two have not, I have set text color. So you can set text color whichever you want to highlight it by default. Okay, or you can create another property by default and write a logic there. Another is a class ID. uh, I will explain why this I have taken. Okay, another icon you remember I have created property. Another is a text, so icon will show this icon, text will be show a text. Okay, and then I have created a event for click. Okay, so all these three item you have to add in the grid. Okay, now what is happening in the tab? So first of all I have created a list of image label, then added a control, all the three control here, and in the tab what I have done, I have cast this sender. Okay, and in for loop of this control I have checked that this class ID, control class ID is same as this class ID. Okay, if the sender class ID is equal to the uh, list of one of the list one of the item in the list matches, then it will highlighted, other will get this highlighted. Okay, another will be get unselected. So in this way you can change the color. Okay, now text box. So this is the text box icon and this is the text box. Okay, so for this also I have created icon, and here I am using a frame. Under the frame I am using a vertical stack layout. So in vertical stack layout I will show this control, then this line, then this another control. In this way same also in another frame. So I will explain this. You it is also same as this one. So if you understand this, then it will be same as per this. Okay, now this is the label for name. This is the frame. This is the frame here. Then vertical stack layout to show a control in vertical. This is a text box icon. So let's see what is done here. So you have to use a grid again with two column, because I have to arrange the column in to arrange the column. I have to arrange that control in the in column wise. Okay, so this is the icon and this is the text box. So I have simply added the control, nothing else I have done. Only in the font family I have used a font awesome to show the icon. Okay, and in the backend, so placeholder and the icon. Okay, and I have not created a property for a text. If you not you can create a text property here to gain a value of the text in the backend side. Okay, uh, means it will not uh, means means if anything you put a user here, input here, then how you will get the value of that. To get a value, you have to create a text property, set a getter and setter, text.text and text.text is equal to value. Okay, so add that control in that frame. So simply add that control in that frame, assign that icon to the value and placeholder, and then add a line. Okay, height request will be 1, and as per I have uh, uh, says many times that in the MAUI background color will be used for the line and color will be used for the Xamarin. If you are using Xamarin, then use a color property. If you are using MAUI, then use a background color property. Okay, and add another text value. So in this way, you can also create this another frame for a contact. So in this way, you can create a address layout. Hope you understand this UI. If you like this video, then click on the like button and please subscribe my channel and please share this video to your friends. And thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.